Okay, so George, tell us a little bit about what this product is. It says all-purpose, so what is that?
I mean, this is the golden product. Okay, this is it. This is
Okay.
what I've been using for a while now. This is all I use in my customers' homes. 99% of the time, this is a product that I'm using to clean my clients' couches, sofas, drapery, anything fabric. It's a product that we developed. It's a product that we sell.
Okay.
I'd like to think that people love it and it works really well. It's an all-purpose cleaner. It's one of our products. We have another product called the Stain and Odor Remover, which focuses more on pet accidents, things like that. This all-purpose cleaner, though, is a plant-based product. It's got coconut oil, orange oil, essential oils, and it just cleans really well. It's pH balanced. You can use it on everything. You can use it on stone, wood floors, spot cleaning your furniture. A lot of the other all-purpose cleaners out there don't actually market it for fabrics and carpets. Like this beautiful Persian rug you have here, this is safe to use on it, whereas the other stuff in store is very caustic. The pH levels are too high. Some of them contain oxygen-based cleaners, which will damage.
Can it
your
bleach it in a way?
Can absolutely bleach it. And the number one mistake that a lot of people make is they go to the store. I'm not going to mention names of the products, but they're all available at
Just
the
walk down
store.
the aisles. Yeah.
You know, walk the aisles and you'll see them. And what'll happen is they never read the label, because the label always says, do not use on natural fabrics like wool, cotton, and
okay.
silk, or test for color fastness. Use in an inconspicuous area. No one does
Do you
that.
think it has a lot to do with the misleading labels? Gets all stains out, or
That's what it
safe
is.
for all surfaces?
That's what it is. It's very misleading,
Okay.
right? That, you know, they show a picture of a dog and a picture of the dog having an accident, and then it's like, oh, the stain is
And
gone.
it'll work.
And it'll work. And no, it doesn't always work, right? If you have a custom rug, like one of these Oriental rugs that are, you know, vegetable dyed, it will bleed. It will ruin the rug. If you have a viscose rug or a custom-made Stark rug, no one reads the directions.
Sure.
So when I made this, I tested different formulations, and it's just a safe product.
Okay.
It really is. No chemicals in it, and it just works on everything.
So stone, wood, carpet, sofas, leather, and more, and it seems to get out blood, dirt, wine, you know.
I can attest. It does get out wine.
It does.
And you know, we sell it here in the House of Vacuums, and the customers that have purchased it, they all love it. So that's
Well, it just works. And it
does.
also comes with, you know, I don't want to say it comes with a guarantee, but it's pretty good at getting stuff out. But, you know, whoever buys it, we've got a QR code on the back. They can scan this. They can go to our Instagram. My team and I are very responsive. They can shoot us a message on Instagram or text us, say, hey, I've got your product. How do I use it? You try texting someone that works for those big brands.
can't.
You're not going to get an answer.
You're going to get an 800 number, if that, or you're going to get a local number that's only this and this,
Yep.
and you're never going to be able to text anybody within the company that has any bearing.
that, you know,
So-
again, that's why the trust is
there.
And
Yep.
that's why we
All
do
right.
what we do.
Well, that's a good information on that product.
Thank you.